So it was my birthday last week and I wanted to talk about what I do with my birthday money, because I've done a couple of kind of finance based videos before, and I do something a little bit different with my birthday money, so I just wanted to share with you kind of what I do with it. So the reason behind this is I've kind of cut back right back on what I buy, so I don't go clothes shopping on a regular basis. I'll buy things if and when I need them, when they're falling apart, and even then that's just like pants and socks, because I've got a backlog of stuff that, you know, is replacing things, because I used to be really bad at buying multiples of things. I don't tend to like subscribe to magazines, I don't buy kind of makeup, weird products like that, so there's a lot of things that I don't buy because I just can't justify it, if that makes any sense. So what I do with my birthday money is I got a couple of checks this year. I took them straight to the bank, took the money straight out, and I have it in cash. Because how many times have you done this where you've paid it into your bank and then it just kind of gets lost and it gets spent on bills and things like that, and then you forget about it, and when you look back you're like, what did I actually spend that on? It just gets frittered away and wasted. So this way I bank it, I take it out in cash, and I have it sitting there. So I have this little pile of cash sitting there, and then what I do is I spend that money on things that I otherwise can't justify. So last Christmas, for example, because it works with Christmas money as well, I used it to get a Vegan Life magazine subscription. I would never justify that. Like, why am I spending that money on a magazine? No, because I could do that on something more important. I could save it, I could put it towards a holiday. Why would I do that? But because it's birthday money, it's come from someone else, so it's like a birthday present or a Christmas present. That's how I can justify it. So for example, for my birthday money this year, part of it has gone on these. So pickle pebbles. I make my own pickles. I've done videos for kimchi and sauerkraut, and I've done perfectly well without them, but they would be really, really handy. Now, these were like 15 quid. I would never, ever be able to justify spending my own money, 15 quid, on a set of 4 glass chunks, because that's what it is. But because it's birthday money and I want to spend it on something I will use and something I otherwise wouldn't buy myself, this is what I've done. So that's how I use it, so it doesn't get wasted, it doesn't get forgotten about, it doesn't get spent on bills or other things. It gets banked, it gets taken out in cash, and it's sitting there to treat yourself and to spend on things that you otherwise wouldn't justify if you were spending it out of your own paycheck.